Look at the space right underneath your television. If you're deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem, there is probably a tiny, unassuming black square sitting there gathering dust. For years, it felt like Apple just shoved that little box into the corner and completely forgot about the living room. But here is the thing, they have not been ignoring your television at all. They have been quietly laying the groundwork for a massive structural takeover. The 2026 Apple TV is not just a streaming upgrade. It is a Trojan horse disguised as a Netflix machine. Right now, your television screen is basically a dormant rectangle when you are not actively watching something. Apple wants to completely kill that dead space. Enter HomeOS. We are looking at a fundamental software shift where your television becomes the central nervous system of your entire house. Instead of a boring grid of apps, imagine a dynamic, ambient dashboard. You walk into the room and the television subtly wakes up, displaying your daily schedule, the weather, and live feeds from your smart cameras. And because it is going to be the ultimate Matter standard hub, it acts as the universal translator for every smart plug, light bulb, and thermostat you own, regardless of the brand. Picture this. You are deep into a movie and somebody rings the doorbell. Instead of scrambling for your phone, a subtle picture-in-picture window slides onto the screen, showing the delivery guy standing on your porch. You unlock the door right from the couch. It is seamless, but the smart home integration is just the appetizer. The main course is something that might sound a little bit creepy at first, and I will get to that surprising hardware change in just a second. First, we need to talk about the eye. Rumors from the supply chain are heavily pointing to a built-in camera coming to the 2026 hardware. Now I know exactly what you're thinking. A camera staring at me while I eat popcorn in my pajamas? Absolutely not. Apple anticipates that exact reaction, which is why they are engineering a physical hardwired shutter. You can physically blind the device when you want privacy. So why put a lens there in the first place? It completely reshapes how we interact with the screen. Suddenly, you are doing FaceTime with the whole family on a massive display, and the camera automatically pans and zooms to keep you perfectly framed, even if you're pacing around the coffee table. But the wildest application is actually Apple Fitness Plus. With that lens, your television transforms into an advanced digital personal trainer. It will physically track your skeletal movement in real time. If your posture is terrible during a squat, the screen will gently correct your form right then and there. No more guessing if you're doing the exercise right. Your living room is essentially a private gym studio. And honestly, that digital awareness extends to the overall interface too. The camera and onboard voice recognition will instantly know who just sat down. If your kid plops onto the couch, the interface instantly morphs into cartoons and family shows. If you take their place, it snaps right back to your gritty premium dramas. You never touch a settings menu, it simply adapts. This intense level of spatial awareness ties directly into the grand Apple picture, which is the Vision Pro. The new Apple TV is being engineered to act as the ultimate anchor for spatial computing. You will be seamlessly throwing whatever you're looking at inside your headset directly onto the big screen for everyone else to see, with absolutely zero latency. The television box provides the heavy lifting to render complex virtual environments alongside the headset. To handle all this, the silicon inside needs a ridiculous upgrade. The current models run on capable but aging chips. The 2026 edition is allegedly leaping forward to a modified A17 Pro or perhaps a custom A18 processor. You might be wondering why a machine dedicated to playing YouTube videos needs the computing power of a high-end laptop. Stick with me here. Apple does not want to just stream video. They want to secretly murder the traditional gaming console. By packing hardware-accelerated ray tracing into this little box, Apple is actively working with massive game studios to bring heavy-hitting titles directly to your television. We are talking about playing massive atmospheric games like Death Stranding natively without needing a giant plastic tower humming next to your television. It is a stealth console. That colossal processing power also solves the video quality problem. Even if you're streaming an older, grainy movie, the onboard processor will actively upscale the footage, inventing missing pixels and restoring colors. Apple is future-proofing this hardware aggressively by adding advanced wireless technology and modern standards to support massive television resolution. It will squeeze out the crispest image possible, making streaming look like premium physical media. But how is Apple going to sell all of this advanced technology without charging $1,000? Well, the strategy is splitting the lineup into two totally different beasts, and this is the part that actually surprised me. We are likely getting an Apple TV Lite and a massive Pro version. The Lite version is an answer to the cheap streaming sticks flooding the market. We are talking about a highly capable $99 entry point designed purely to get you hooked on Apple Arcade and Apple TV Plus. On the other end of the spectrum, the Pro model is going to mutate. Instead of a box, leaks suggest it could become an integrated soundbar. Modern televisions are incredibly thin, which means their internal speakers sound absolutely atrocious. Apple wants to fix your terrible audio and your messy cables in one swing, giving you premium sound and ultra-fast processing in a single, clean package. Aesthetically, they are also ditching the boring black square. Rumors point to a glossy white finish, perfectly matching modern, minimalist home decor. It is a throwback to the vintage Apple aesthetic, designed to look beautiful on a shelf rather than hidden away in a cabinet. Oh, and I cannot forget the absolute best quality of life update. The remote control. We have all lost that slippery little silver wand in the couch cushions. The next generation builds finding technology directly into the metal, complete with a tiny speaker. You just ping it from your phone and it will scream from the depths of your upholstery. No more tearing the room apart. Why is Apple suddenly throwing all their weight into the living room right now? Because the television is the final uncaptured territory in the tech ecosystem. They already dominate your pocket, your wrist, and your desk. By transforming a simple streaming puck into a powerful gaming console, a smart home brain, and a brilliant personal trainer, they make the Apple ecosystem inescapable. It is a brilliant, terrifyingly effective strategy. The upcoming 2026 Apple TV is not just a screen upgrade. It is the central nervous system of your future home, cleverly disguised as a simple white entertainment box. I promise.